Okay, I am now live in theory. Okay, cool. Now I just need to send the link. And okay, cool. And then now I'm okay, cool. Amazing. Now it's time to actually get to work. So the goal today is to be able to, like, once I have Blender, I'm going to set it up so that it reads instructions from like a file, right? So I'll have a file on disk. Then the Blender will like continuously read the instructions. So it'll like play like an idle animation, and then it will like continually read instructions from disk onto the like into Blender, right? So the Python, like Blender Python, it'll read instructions from disk into Blender, and then from Blender we will just like do stuff on it. I don't know. Cool. Cool. Blender Python API, and then what we do here is we're here. Okay. We don't have the option there. I'm just gonna create a new window. Scripting. Oh wait, there's already scripting. Cool. I want. I'll leave my custom scripting on. Cool. Okay, let's Okay, so let's have a look at what we're actually trying to do here. First, let's actually make a test. What do I actually want to do? I want to be able to move an armature from via Python, right? So delete that. We'll make a armature. Edit mode. Extend it. Leave edit mode. What happened to... Okay. Post mode. Okay, so... Hey, it tells you what's exactly happening. Okay, so that's relative rotation. How do I figure out how to set it to global rotation? Let's go to docs. So we're looking for bpy.ops.transform. Ops. Transform operation. Transform operators. Cool. Resize. Rotate. Okay. Select orientation. Okay. Windows is that's a console. Okay. This is just import BP. Let me look at the quick start. Let me actually just look at the quick start. And then okay, hold on. Do I actually have to import BPY? Okay. There we go. Okay. Oh, my mouse. Okay. Let me give it Right. Got the print. Why no print? hold on. Text to 3 up. What do I? We're in. Oh, I had to. Okay, you know what? You know what? We're not printing then because we don't need print per se. Right on. Ops dot object. Looking for object at this point. Cool. So we have object. What I was trying to add. What does this return? Right. Okay, so assuming we already have this object pose mode toggle, right? So we had to have the object selected. So I need to figure out a way to be able to select the object at runtime, but that's fine. And then I do value equals, I don't know, 0.01. I'll just keep them. I'll say let me look at the docs. Rotate. Everything else is the default. I feel fine. I'm just gonna leave it at default, and if I need to change it, I change it. Okay. Okay, Blender can't handle while true. Okay, okay. That's unfortunate, but we can kill it. Okay, we have to go a little fancy to kill it. 4, 5, 5, 6. Okay, there we go. Now I have to respawn it. Okay, there we are. Amazing, amazing. Yeah. So, in essence, what I need to do. Let me boot this back up. Okay, no saves. That's probably fine. Yeah. Rotate. In pose mode, it swaps. Okay, it continues to do that. Okay, it continues to do that. Amazing, amazing. Okay. So, what I need to do at this point is figure out a way. This is Python. I can just import time, right? So then, let me see. I can do 10 times. Yep. One. Okay, so it runs it, but doesn't actually display it. We force it to effectively refresh the screen at that point, right? Yeah. Animations. Oh! Wait, I can just insert keyframes. Wait, how's that? Okay, wait. Hold on, I think the plan's changing a little bit. So what I have to do... Wait, hold on. Okay. So what it looks like I can do is I can just like take the keyframes and then I can just set up as keyframes, and then based on the current moment I can calculate what the next keyframe should be while I'm playing it live. Wait, no, that's not gonna work because it's does it every time. Like it. Wait till the end. Uh, full function. Uh, okay. Um, you can do GPU implementation. Okay, what? Okay. Um, I literally just want to be able to live update the thing. Um, context access? That's context access. Okay, so it's not actually printing. Okay, let me go back to quick start. Let me go back. Python. You can use a scripting workspace. Okay, wait. So I'll say have access to data, have access to attributes on the data, what, etc., etc. But yeah, all stuff. Okay. Right. So I need to wait. Run an arbitrary Python file, not particularly what I want. Workspace software. It's setting up a workspace. Okay, so let's just do a Google. Oh, let's go. Huh. We know that print doesn't work, Google. We know it's not doing anything there. Okay. Got it. Got it. Oh, okay. So, tips and straight. Yeah. How do I actually? Okay, wait. Let's just copy that, paste it in there. Okay, so we can do print. I'm just gonna. Okay, I just have copy paste it in there, which is not ideal, but whatever. Okay, so we can also do time lapse. Wait. Okay, well let's. Okay, now we have to wait the 10 seconds. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Okay, this is actually kind of unfortunate. Can't be doing that. Can't be doing that. Okay, unfortunate. Hold on. Right, because the fundamental goal is I have to do this live, right? So like the requirements are it has to be a live way of doing stuff. And so what I right, because I have to set up instructions, right? Because the LM it will say basically what it'll go is it'll say like, hey, go from default sitting pose to like standing pose or like do something of that sort. And so given like an animation like pose, like I'm using pose as like a reference for like an idle animation in that pose, right? So like if I'm sitting at the computer, I want to have a little bit of like movement. I'm gonna be like moving slightly and that type of stuff. And so because I'm using that as a substitute, I am going the okay. How I think it's gonna work is I plan on okay. I what I need to do is I need to basically set it up so that it's in the idle animation and it like smoothly transforms. But if the easiest way to do that is keyframes, that feels kind of dumb because then I just have to recalculate keyframes. Like it'll be like a 1 second idle animation. Everything has to be done in a 1 second idle instead of just being live done. I guess that kind of makes sense. No, that kind of makes sense. But the problem with that is that doesn't feel scalable for when I want to move from like a pose type system to a more animated type system. And so I could probably do a fully animated type system, and it'll probably be fine. And I just rewrite it later. Yeah. No, I think I'll just switch the keyframes. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Kickstart. Let's look at the keyframes. Okay. Can I leave insert? Oh, there we go. Okay, hold on. Let me get. No, that's not what I want. There you go. So instead of the console, I want the timeline. Okay, so we can do stuff like that. Now I just need to get the bone in the armature. Okay, so the object was what? DPY ops object. Okay. Ops dot object. Object operators. Object dot context dot object. What? Wait. Ops dot object. DPY context dot object. Okay, hold on. I'm going kind of insane. Okay. Cool. 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 Types, DPY types object. Cool. Okay, wait, hold on. So, this might be a little bit going kind of insane, but would it be a good idea to basically just set it up as multiple different objects with different names, right? And then, I guess armature is the right way to do things, right? Like, fundamentally, like, object. God, there's a lot. Let's see. Armature dot pose. Hold on. Armature dot pose. Armature dot pose. What does it look like for this one? Hello? Can I see the current pose? The read-only pose struct. That's what I want. Okay, dot bones. Okay. Oh. There's two bones in here, yup. Pose, bones. Channel defines the pose data for bone in the pose. Okay, hold on. I just want to rotate this. I don't want to do IK right now because I'm just gonna write a bunch of that code myself. Dot location. Okay. Okay, so I just need to get the dot bone of the bone. Okay, so it's a bone type. And then in here, I need to figure out how do I rotate the bone. How do I translate? What? Okay. Wait. Hold on, hold on. What is translate asking for? It's asking for a vec. What is a vec? Am I just able to type like, what was my mouse in the right place? Like a tuple of 0.1, 0.1, 0.1? Okay, what is a vector in Blender? vector font, vector text group. Okay. Okay, I think I'm probably going a little bit way too deep. I'm just gonna go back to regular bones. Like this is regular bones. I'm gonna go up a level. I'm going up to pose bones. Pose bone or translate. What are you looking for? It's a vector. Okay. Hold on. Let's look at BPY ops. Let's just go to peacefully go to transform operate. No, wait, hold on. Audio animations is object.keyframe insert. Wait. Hold on. So let's just get the first bone, right? Insanely deep. Then let's run it. Bone has no attribute rotation. Well, let's look at rotation then. Okay, well, let's look at the attributes of bone. Pose. Wait, okay, so let's read this. X-axis handle offset, these are handle offset, length of first Bezier handle. Length IK. Okay, so that's the matrix. Motion path name. Rotation axis angle. Rotation Euler. Yes. Rotation underscore Euler, and then let's just set that. Okay, so okay, yeah, I can talk faster. I'm just thinking as I'm talking. My bad. I'm thinking as I'm talking, right? But like, okay, so what I'm looking for here is rotation Euler, and object dot rotation Euler. I'm just going to set that to a tuple of I, and then run it. Bone has no attribute. I'm sorry? What? Bone has no attribute rotation Euler. Okay. Line 8. Yeah, okay. Bone has nothing named rotation Euler. Hold on. I'm going to get rid of that. Okay. That's not good. Let's just set it to I times 100 and let's see what happens. Nothing is getting set. Object keyframe insert data path. What? Wait. Okay, so let me like go to BPY But let me just go to the object data type. Where's the search? Object. Okay, hold on. Let me go into the context. Context dot postbone. No, I just need the object. Look at this type. Cool. Now, for functions, we want dot key. What? Keyframe insert. Where is keyframe insert? Inherited functions, keyframe insert. Ah, BP got struck. Passive property key. Okay. So what if I just set this to rotation? Where are my keyframes? Where'd they go? No. Okay. What do I need to do? I need to okay, wait. We're going to pose bone. Keyframe insert, yep. Now, insert keyframe on the property given, adding F codes to animation data when necessary. Data path, index, frame. What is it? Path to the property to key. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Let me just. Oh. Okay, wait. Okay, so what if I just edit its role? No attribute role. Okay. Pose bone. Inherited property. No, I don't care about that. Okay, so it looks like I have to edit the head. Sorry, the tail. I have to edit the tail. Read only. Okay, how do I edit the tail number? Add back to the head and tail of this. Okay, so it's automatically doing some stuff there. Okay. What are the functions? We have translate, given a vec. How do I get the vec? I assume postbone.vector. Three function for tail minus head, read only. Okay, wait. Let me comment this out real quick. Right, so okay, so I need to object dot vector. What if I just We have translated by the vector. Oh. Trace back head from. You gave me this function. Okay. Yeah, let's just get the associated bone. And then please don't tell me. Okay, so this is actually okay, it makes sense. What? Location of the head. Okay, so bone.tail is read only. How do I edit the bone? What are functions here? Okay. Axis roll. Rotational matrix to axis plus roll to a matrix. Okay, matrix from axis, comma roll. Okay. Hold on. Then I mean, well, okay, you can set things to be read only in Python. It's just it's a Blender thing, not a Python thing. So when Blender does stuff, it checks, right? And so, you know, yeah. Also, Blender doesn't have integrated Python scripting, so this entire project wouldn't happen if this was in Java, right? Like it's a push and a pull, you know? It's a push and a pull. Axis. Matrix from axis roll. Matrix from axis row. Okay, what is mathutils.vector? I have to legitimately import mathutils. Okay. And I just pass it into okay. Capital M, right? Okay. Mathutils dot vector and then it's yes, I am doing this mostly hard mode, yes. Where I'm allowed a quick Google search, but the Google search was wrong, so I'm not gonna do that. So hard mode, no sources outside of official documentation. That's the goal. Vector. So what are we looking for? We're looking for axis is the main axis of the bone to the roll. Okay, well, I'm just gonna say 0, 0, 0, and then the roll is 0. That has to be a tuple. Okay, so we have a vector, sorry, a matrix. Now what I need to do is this 3 by 3 matrix? 3 by 3, yeah. Oh, I need to do so that's its current matrix. Put that to M. Matrix is read only. Okay. Which ones of these is write only? Is length write only? No, read only. I can change whether it's hiding or not. I can. That's read only. How do I change where it is? Hold on. Let's just translate it. Let's do a translation. And then let's read only. How do I? Okay. Okay. So how do I? Message bus. Nah. Bone. Oh, I can check if it probably read only. The docs can do that. Convert local to pose. Evaluate envelope. Which one of these can I change? Hold on. Oh, I need logs. Okay. PPY that off the transform that rotate. I need keyframe this point. Hold on. Timeline. What's the keyframe keybind? Keyboard was key map. Insert keyframe. It's I. Okay. Oh, it's because I'm in edit mode. Where is pose mode? Cool. Of course. XYZ Euler. There we go. Active pose bone dot rotation Euler. So rotation Euler is editable. Okay. So the active pose bone dot rotation Euler is the thing. Object dot rotation Euler I star 3.1, not 3.14. I star 0.3. Then I'm just gonna edit 1 is 1 rotation Euler. Rotation underscore Euler. But what? UPI active pose bone content. Active. Oh, I need the pose bone. Okay, no errors this time. Also, none of my nice and fancy keyframes. Well, let me keyframe that. Go forward a bit. that again. Okay. Bone. Yeah, okay, so this does rotate. How does that not have a keyframe like thing? Huh? Okay. Keyframe. Let's go to. Go to quick start. Um. Okay. Object a keyframe insert. We have the data path. Rotation. Euler. And Euler rotation. Okay, so that is working. It is in fact working. Now I just have to. What? Oh, it was there all along. There we have it. Okay, so I can't animate this on that axis, but this axis. Why does it come back up? Oh, because I've set it to. Okay. Cool. Amazing. So now we can theoretically animate this, right? By effectively just setting it up and then being able to do stuff programmatically. Now, of course, the issue comes when I have to have this run in real time on Python, right? And so I don't think I'm going to be live for much longer, probably another 4-ish minutes, but tomorrow I'm going to go live again. Tomorrow I'm going to do a demo of the thing. I think I'm going to do like a Wednesday it exists and a Thursday demo. But yeah, I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. I'm going to effectively, I think that's the plan. And so yeah, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna set up an idle animation. You know what? I'm gonna set up an idle animation. I'm gonna set up a nice 60 frame idle animation where we go from. Why is not it? Z, yeah. I'm gonna start at 90 and I'm going to have it go up and down in like a nice sine wave. Math. Math.pi over 2 plus I. Hold on. Oh, is this in degrees? Okay, no, we're fine. We're just doing, yeah. Plus math.sine of I times Okay, wait. So item number of frames. You have to divide the item number of frames by 60 floating point, obviously. And we have to multiply it by... Yeah, so then we have to multiply it by the number of times we want it to run. Let's say we want it to run twice, like by a second. And then from there, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to multiply this by math.pi over, let's give it a 45-degree range. And then let's play. Oh, we only just 10 frames. 60 frames. I don't know Python. I over 60. Wait. So that runs for... Oh, yeah. For 5. Oopsies. Okay, that's a nice actual cycle. Right, the cycle is 2 pi, we're running it over 60. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have the 2 pi in there. I think I'm gonna lower the effect maybe 4x. There we go. Okay, okay. That's cool. Now let's get the first bone. Now let's find out what happens if we do the exact same thing to the first bone, right? There we are, there we are, there we are. Hold on. Okay, cool. Okay, okay. So, hold on. If I want to do like a leg bouncing type thing, I need to make sure that the rotation in the first one is exactly counteracted by the rotation in the second one. So, I'm going to set this to be a minus. Then what I need to do is... I'm going to make this twice as big. No, 4x. It's very visible at that scale. Oops. Run it. Great. Now if we want it to be an actual bouncing, so I can't use sine. I can do absolute value of sine. What? Isn't sine supposed to go negative at some point? Huh. Math.absolute. What? Wait, so if we shouldn't have it go negative, because sine would be negative in this time frame, right? Hold on. Let's have it go for 240 frames. Oh, math has no absolute... Okay, well, let's just use Python's absolute value then. Okay, okay, okay. Now, what I do is I just set this to 32, 32, and then save, run, and then run. Hey, nice! Programmatically generated animations in Blender. Now, hold on. Let me into edit mode. extrude this. Yeah, I'm gonna have 2 of them. And these are gonna be legs. Okay. So this one, head and tail. Whatever. Okay, and then let's go 3, 4, and instead of math.pi, let's just do minus math.pi. Run. What's the problem? Size 3. I only have 3 bones in this armature? So be it. So be it. Bone 2, yep. 2. Oh, I can't count. I can't count. Oh, I just had to manually set the rotation mode here. Sure. Okay, now we have legs bouncing. I'm gonna increase the weight on that. Bounce weight equals, let's say, 4 times every 4 times every 60 seconds. Pi equals math.pi. Percent through equals pi over 60.0. This is the percent through times pi times bounce rate. Okay, okay. Okay, what's the other? Invalid syntax, perhaps I forgot a comma. I did not forget a comma, I forgot closing parentheses. Yes, I did. What? Yeah. Wait, hold on. Okay, so if I take my leg real quick, can I use a differential equation to model the movement of the legs? Yes, I almost certainly could, because everything here is set deterministically. So I can start with an initial point and then do a differential equation. That is almost certainly possible. Because that feels like overkill for this. Though, having a differential equation that stabilizes on a certain point could be useful for final animation, right? Because, like, let's assume I have it streaming and I say, hey, I want you to move from regular, like, streamer mode to, like, hands up here and doing stuff like that, right? And so, if I have it do that, what I could theoretically do there is effectively just, like, because my hands are here, is have, like, a differential equation where it, like, will move the hands to this point, and another one that's, like, has the hands down here. But, like, the problem is I'm actually generating these in real time. So, because I have to, like, generate this, and I'm gonna reset this back down to 60. Uh, because in essence, I have to generate these, and I have not roughly, I have exactly 60 frames, right? I'll just, like, wait a minute. Wait a second, right? And because the delay is fine, because this should run just, like, asynchronously, right? So, yeah, I don't know. I think I want to change the easing function for this. Because instead of it just being sine, I want it to be... Why is it this tangent? Now, obviously, since it's tangent, I have to make some changes. Minus 0.5. Okay. So it goes from negative 0.5 to 0.5. Bounce rate is, so we effectively go from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. Multiplied by bounce rate. The bounce rate to 0.5. We have to do this faster, but we. Wait, okay, so negative pi over 2. Hold on, let me set this for next way. We drop, we go slow, and then we come back up. Why is it that. Oh, because that's 0, that's 0 point. So. Wait. Hold on. Did I watch Player Homer's interpretation of the spline video? Yes. Yes, I did. I need to rewatch it, and I think that'd be a good idea. And because of that, I am now going to go ahead and just head to sleep now, because I think this is good progress. This is saved. I'm saving this as an actual Python file. Nah, this is saved in my testanim.blend. That was my other one. They both have fake users. Cool. I think I'm gonna stop the stream here. Success was good. I figured out the basics of this at least, and then the next one I'm going to go a little bit deeper. I will see you guys all in the next one. Goodbye.